Hello and welcome to Free Trial Fridays. Today we've got quite an interesting piece for you. This is a 3D printed metal part. It's made by using focused laser beams that meet at a point in a vessel of powder. So thousands and millions of powder metal flakes are in kind of a vessel. The laser focuses in, and as it tracks the movement, it creates a part. Now, one thing they can't do is when they're making tunneled parts like this, the sintered material, which is what they call it, is still trapped inside. So they need to figure out a way to remove the powder from within the part quickly and effectively. So it's up to the customer which one they think is best, because they actually want to bolt on this cleaning service to their machinery. They'll be selling the 3D printing technology, and they also want to tie on the cleaning service to the side of it. So they need to know what the best way to clean these parts is so that their customers know. Otherwise, they'll just be selling them something that can 3D print, but you get lots of powder stuck inside. So we've done our 3 tests. We're going to send them back, hopefully hear some results and see which one they're happy with. If you would like some trials running on any of your components to see what the best way is forward, then please give us a call or an email. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching today's video. I'm Ben Peacock. Speak to you soon.